What we like. What makes us laugh? What drives us? Who we are. When we lose our memory, we lose everything. Due to the progressive aging of the population, Alzheimer's has become a major health problem worldwide. Apart from the clinical aspect, it also has an important social dimension. That's why the ACE Foundation was set up in 1995. Since then, it has been committed to comprehensive care plans that address not only the disease, but also patients and their loved ones. The ACE diagnosis process assesses the patient's mental state, in addition to aspects such as social context, degree of autonomy, and medical history. Social workers, neurologists, and neuropsychologists visit patients and their families, draw up a report, and agree on the most appropriate plan of action for each case. With 2 daycare centres, the Alzheimer Educational Centre uses innovative stimulation techniques that help retrain patients' cognitive functions and enhance those that they still have. We do this to extend their autonomy in activities of daily living for as long as possible, and also to provide advice and support to their relatives. Meticulous clinical data collection and systematic storage of biological material has enabled the ACE Foundation to build one of the most important databases in Europe about Alzheimer's and other dementias. The accumulated knowledge and experience of its professionals and active participation in the most advanced clinical trials mean that ACE is now recognised internationally for the verification of new hypotheses and diagnostic methods, as well as the application of pioneering therapeutic strategies. Another of the Foundation's cornerstones is the dissemination of knowledge, whether addressing the general public, families and patients' associations, or the more specialised healthcare sector. Especially significant here is the Barcelona-Pittsburgh Biennial Conference, Update in Dementia, organised by ACE and the University of Pittsburgh since 1998, which has become an unmissable event in the field of dementia. In spite of the difficulties and complexity of the disease, at the ACE Foundation we put all our commitment, energy and passion into our work. Because we are convinced that with everyone's effort, someday we will be able to forget about Alzheimer's.